Hi everybody, today we are going to see simple Python programs. This video will be very useful. Let us see the programs. Write a program that generates a set of prime numbers and another set of odd numbers. Display the result of union, intersection, difference and symmetric. The aim of the program is to generate a set of prime numbers and another set of odd numbers. Display the result of union, intersection, difference and symmetric different operations. Now let us see the source code. Odd equal to set of x asterisk 2 plus 1 for x in range 0, 5. Primes equal to set for I in range 2, 10. J equal to 2. F equal to 0. While j less than or equal to I by 2. If I percentage j double equal to 0. F equal to 1. J plus equal to 1. If f double equal to 0. Primes.add of I. Source code continuation. Print odd numbers comma odd. Print prime numbers comma primes. Print union comma odd dot union of primes. Print intersection odd dot intersection of primes. Print difference odd dot difference of primes. Print symmetric difference odd dot symmetric difference of primes. Now you can see if you want to print, use odd.union, odd.intersection, odd.difference, odd.symmetric difference. Now let us paste this coding in a notepad. Let us save this file as prime odd.py. After saving, let us open the file in the folder. You can see that prime odd.py is there. Now to open the command prompt, type cmd. Now you can see. Now let us execute this Python program, prime odd.py. You can see the result is displayed. The union, intersection, difference, symmetric difference, odd and prime numbers is listed. Now let us see the result. Thus the above program is executed and the required output is obtained. For more videos like this, subscribe our channel Educrawl. You can forward this video to all your friends and relatives. During this COVID period, these types of videos will be very useful to them. Please share. Thank you.